In the lush hills of Jamaica, where the mountains kiss the clouds and the rivers whisper ancient secrets, there was a legend nobody dared to speak aloud. Until now. They called him Goatee, a mysterious being said to roam the dense forests of the Blue Mountains under the cloak of night. Goatee was no ordinary creature. Half man, half goat, with luminous green eyes that shimmered like emeralds, he possessed extraordinary abilities that defied science and nature. Rumors told of his origin deep within the island's hidden caves, where ancient Jamaicans once performed rituals to harness the energies of the earth and sky. Some believe that during a fierce storm centuries ago, a lightning bolt struck a shaman's sacred altar, merging his spirit with a mountain goat, creating Goatee, a guardian of the island's mystical balance. But what made Goatee truly paranormal was his connection to the unseen. He could sense disturbances in the fabric of reality, strange anomalies, ghostly apparitions, and even glimpses of a parallel dimension where time twisted and space folded upon itself. Locals whispered that on moonlit nights, if you listened carefully in the woods, you'd hear a faint bleating intertwined with human laughter, an eerie melody composed of the echoes of Jamaica's past and future. One stormy evening, young scientist Mark, fascinated by the island's legends and determined to uncover the truth, ventured into the forest with a portable scanner and a camera. As lightning cracked the sky, he saw a figure emerge from the shadows, a creature with the body of a man and the horns and fur of a goat, eyes glowing with an otherworldly light. Suddenly, the air shimmered, and Mark felt himself pulled into a vortex of time and space. When the storm subsided, he found himself on a different Jamaica, one where the mountains shimmered with strange energy, and the sky flickered with unnatural colors. There, Goatee hovered nearby, as if guarding the secrets of the universe. Realizing that Goatee was a sentinel between worlds, Mark understood that this creature was not just a myth, but a living bridge to the island's hidden science and paranormal phenomena. As dawn broke, Mark left the forest with a newfound respect for Jamaica's mystical legacy, knowing that some legends are rooted in truths that transcend understanding. And so, in the heart of Jamaica's wild mountains, Goatee remains vigil, a guardian of ancient knowledge and cosmic mysteries, forever blending science, spirit, and the supernatural.